Hi guys, welcome to my troubleshoot. Today I will tell you how to connect your mobile wirelessly to your PC. Now, first you need to go into the settings in your Windows 10 and the main thing you need to know is that your mobile and your laptop or PC whatever it needs to connect to the same network or the same Wi-Fi. All right, now let's start and the type connect or cast. All right, connect to a wireless display. Right, sorry, display. um, Sorry, my mistake. Connect to a wireless display. Now, all right, project to this PC. Now let's go to mobile. Like Wi-Fi is with the same network. Now let's go to settings, connection and sharing. Now cast. These options depend on your system. In Samsung it says whatever, something like share or etc. So now wait for to connect or search the device. Oh sorry, my mistake. Launch the Connect app. Out. Now it will display on to the search. See, now connecting on clicking. So here is the, as you see, my mobile display is displaying on my laptop. Now whatever I open it will display as it is on the screen, my laptop screen. This is the easiest way you to connect your system, so your mobile to your desktop PC in Windows 10. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like and share. Thank you.